Hello friends, welcome to VDB Learnings. This is Vanshika and today's class is class number 4, which is on phonics sound. If you missed out any of the class for the phonics series, you have to just press on I and watch that video. So, do you know there are 42 phonics sound? Yes, 42 phonics sound. How? Yes, you can ask me, how is this possible? Because there are only 26 alphabets in English. Yes? So, how is this possible that there are 42 sounds of that 26 alphabets? So, don't worry. In this video, we will see main 42 phonics sounds. And these 42 phonics sound categorized in 7 groups. Yes, you can see here there are 7 groups. Okay, in that 7 group, each group has 6 letter or the combination of letters. Okay, so in this video we will see first group and remaining groups we will see in upcoming videos. Okay, so do subscribe and watch full course of phonics. Okay, so let's get started with the first phonic group. So group 1 is SATIN. Okay, so first letter is S. Sound of S is S. That is sun. Sun. Snake. Snake. Sat. Sat. Next letter is A. Sound of A is A. A. As apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. Ankle. Ankle. Next letter is T. Sound of T is T. T. As top. Top. Tiger. Tiger. Telephone. Telephone. Next letter is I. Sound of I is E. E. As ink. Ink. Igloo. Igloo. Image. Image. Next letter is P. Sound of P is P. P. As pen. Pen. Parrot. Parrot. Pen. Pen. You can say pen. Pen. In Jolly Phonics, P sounds like P. P. And normally we can say P. P. Next letter is N. Sound of N is N. N. As nose. Nose. Napkin. Napkin. Net. Net. So this is our group number 1. Today's task for you is make 5 words for each letter of group 1 and don't forget to watch upcoming videos. Thank you.